Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own Gel X nails. And I first start off by measuring my nail from sidewall to sidewall, making sure that it fits and that it's not too small or too big. So I normally use my nail tip glue by Beetles to apply as a base coat and then I cure. But because I'm going to be popping these off afterwards, I'm just going to be using a regular gel base coat and curing that for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply that on all of my nails. As well, if you guys do hear a really loud sound, that's a fan. It's from my laptop. It's like overheating and it's not going away. So I'm really sorry. So now I'm going to be applying a generous layer of the nail glue to the base of the nail tip. And I'm just gonna apply it at a 45-degree angle and then I'm going to flash cure for 15 seconds. I'm gonna apply that to all of my nails and then once they're on, I'm gonna fully cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with a buffer block and buffing out my nails, and that's going to remove the shine from the nails and help the gel polish adhere better. And then I'm going to be taking one of my sheer jelly pink nail colors here from the brand Beetles, and I'm applying one thin layer on all of the nails, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. After curing the first coat, I'm going to apply my second coat, and I'm just going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to cure after for 60 seconds. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take a pink blush color and a eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to dab a generous amount onto my nail until I get the desired pigment that I want, and I'm going to do that on all of my nails. Now I'm going in with my top coat and I'm going to apply a thin layer on all the nails, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So this step is optional, but I decided to add some rhinestone studs to all of my nails, just to get that Aurora vibe. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I kind of just randomly scattered them around the nails to make it look like there's stars on the nails. Also, I do apologize. I know my hand is kind of in the way of the camera sometimes, so I'm definitely trying to improve on how to get better with filming and everything. After the rhinestones, I did go in with another top coat and I cured again for 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more content like this, then just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!